Nangita ba mo og mountain hiking trail na good for the beginners? Tara, kuyog-gimi ninyo. Ug atong hikon ang Nelis Top Hills, Tumanga Par Campsite at Barangay Pamutan, Cebu City. Good morning. This trail has a total distance of approximately 3 kilometers round trip. The hiking time 30 minutes to 1 hour. The mountain height approximately 2,000 feet above sea level. This is our first hiking experience together with my wife. Sa kadugan na nako og sigig panghagad og hiking sa iyaha, karon pagyud ko niya kuyogi og hike sa mountain trail. Mas nindot di ay ang experience when you are both hiking with your partner. Kay hinay-hinay, mag-sync ang inyong mga common ideas and life realization while you are in the nature. During our first hike, we both realized that in our more than 25 years in this beautiful planet, we have received countless blessings from the heaven above. First, we realized that God has blessed us in so many ways. Ang among individual own life, among mga tulo ka anak, among family and friends na very supportive sa amua. Ang among mga kalipay nga gisawan remind us that the true happiness is not found in material things, but also in a simple moment we spend together. Kana bastante na namo. We have also learned that family is not just about perfection ug puro lang ambition, but it is also about your presence, understanding, and love that never give ups. As we watch our children grow, ang ilang mga matamis nga pahiyom naghatag og igong inspirasyon sa among pamilya, and we were reminded that time is truly precious, especially the moment we shared with them. Family is our greatest treasure. No storm, distance, or challenges can take away. Ang importante sa mag-asawa ang pagsalig sa usag-usa. Be honest sa imong partner. Kung labaw sa tanan, be contented unsay naa nga gihatag sa Ginoo nimo. O pag-abot namo sa Manga Par Campsite, na-timingan namo ang mga banog birds na naglupad-lupad sa kahanginan. So, nag-bird watching me sa akong wife while drinking our fresh buko juice sa maong lugar. It was a beautiful experience for both of us that day. Happy kayo may namalik sa among trail. Og excited na pod mi mo uli para among makauban ang among tulo ka mga anak sa among panimalay. Kung imong na-recognize ang mga blessings nga imong nadawat, i-comment below para atong hisgutan o pasalamatan ang kahitasan. Daghang salamat sa pagtanaw and see you more adventure in the mountain trail.